EG Scary here, unboxing. So today I cut everything and we're good to go. This is the Zagone DOA mask. Now this one was a cheaper price point than the first one I reviewed. I sent back the first one because the nose was all squished in, and this one you can tell is not squished in. So let's see what we got here. So the cheaper price point has to be, this is definitely a different kind of heavier latex. This also has all this stuff on here. It says it's handmade in the USA. This one has no slit in the back like the other one. And I can tell you this is probably not going to fit on my head, and I'm not going to slit it because I have other plans for this. Well, we can try. So it's very thick, like an old Don Post mask. Whereas the other one was very much very thin latex, and it definitely bonded with your face. The other one's mouth moved when you had it on you. So the difference of probably about $20 or $30 is going to be the ability to have the mask bond to your face. So while I'm doing this video today, I'm out in a forest preserve, and now I have an audience, so I don't know that I really want to try and shove this mask on. But, you know, I'm a man of the people, so I will give my audience what they want. Alright, here we go. This is it. This is the lower priced . All these telemarketers. Anyway, I guess from a distance you would definitely think that I was an old guy. This is the DOA old man mask, and for some reason right here in the eye it sticks you a little bit, but I don't know. It has a good feel. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? So, this is it. Zagone DOA old man. Amazon. And this couple that was making out that was watching me here in the forest reserve has now stopped, and they're probably horrified.
you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. E.G. Scary out.